Introduction to NPA at EQ Worldwide. In this training, I will give a brief introduction of the Net Promoter approach and the different benefits for our company. Net Promoter approach is a fairly new concept which was introduced in US in 2003 by Reichelt. Net Promoter score is basically the number that you get out of this customer loyalty survey. And Net Promoter approach is basically a customer loyalty survey where the customer gets the opportunity to rate our service on a scale from 0 to 10 and give us his feedback. So based on his response, we can predict the Net Promoter score. We can calculate the Net Promoter score, and this score predicts business growth, and it measures the loyalty between EQ Worldwide and the customer. It gives us an opportunity to improve and find out where the gaps are in our service. But moreover, it shows us who are our loyal and disloyal customers. Based on the response, when we get the Net Promoter score, we can group the customers in 3 groups: in the detractors, the neutrals, and the promoters. The promoters give us a rating between 9 and 10, and they're very happy and loyal. Passive customers are those who are giving us a rating of 7 and 8, and they are more neutral, susceptible to competitive offerings. And the detractors are the dissatisfied, unhappy customers, the red segment here. They rate us between 0 to 6. So this is a very critical customer segment group where we need to look into closer and find out how we can move them and to become promoters in the future. To calculate the Net Promoter score, we take the percentage of all promoters and minus the percentage of all detractors, and we get a Net Promoter score. Net Promoter score as an approach has various benefits for an organization. It's a useful tool to forecast business growth, and it is basically the voice of our customers, and it assesses the health between our company and the customer satisfaction, and we will find out who are our loyal and disloyal customers. The primary question that is being asked in a Net Promoter approach can be customized, but basically it asks, based on your recent interaction with a certain touch point on a scale from 0 to 10, how likely is that you would recommend EQ Worldwide to a friend or a colleague? So this can be customized. Based on this, you will get the scale where the customer can rate us from 0 to 10, and then we group the customers in 3 groups into the detractors, passives, and promoters. Promoters are the loyal, happy customers who spend more, and passives are more neutral, and they can become promoters in the future if we focus on them, and but they are being ignored in the Net Promoter score calculation. And the detractors are the unhappy customers who complain more and raise negative word of mouth, and might even stop being a customer of our company. The Net Promoter score calculation is the percentage of all promoters minus the percentage of all detractors, and we get the Net Promoter score. Here again, very important, all the passive customers are being ignored in the Net Promoter score calculation. Net Promoter score isn't just a number. It is a peek into the customer's mind and what he feels about our service and about our company. So the essence of NPS lies not just in the score, but actually in the action that unfolds after we receive the feedback. There are various benefits of Net Promoter score and how it might drive business growth, but it will help us to align our strategies and find out where the gaps are in our service. Some of other benefits would be the differentiation, how promoters contribute to the growth of our customers, and how cost efficient are detractors or not, and who raises more positive word of mouth and negative word of mouth.